Feeling overwhelmed juggling multiple Google Calendars and missing crucial appointments in Follow-Up Boss? Good news, you absolutely can sync Follow-Up Boss with more than one Google Calendar. This quick tutorial will show you how to keep all your schedules aligned for ultimate time management. Let's dive in. First, log into your Follow-Up Boss account, then navigate to the admin section. It's usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Under your profile picture, click on it to open the admin settings. Next, look for integrations in the admin menu. This is where you'll find all the connections you can make with other platforms, including Google Calendar. Click on integrations to proceed. Now, scroll down until you see Google Calendar. If you already have one Google Calendar connected, you'll see it listed here. To add another, look for a button that says Add Google Account or Connect Another Calendar. Clicking that button will take you to a Google Authorization screen. Here, you'll need to select the Google account associated with the calendar you want to sync. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account in your browser beforehand. Google will ask you to grant Follow-Up Boss permission to access your calendar. Review the permissions carefully and click Allow to proceed. Back in Follow-Up Boss, you'll now see the newly connected Google Calendar listed. You can then configure which calendars sync and how they sync within Follow-Up Boss to customize your view and avoid conflicts. And that's it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly sync multiple Google Calendars with Follow-Up Boss, ensuring you never miss another appointment. This keeps everything organized and you looking like a pro.